Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the revolution of the earth. And you know what is revolution? Revolution means movement of the earth around the sun. Isn't it? Movement of the earth around the sun in an elliptical path or elliptical orbit is known as the revolution of the earth. Now let us see what are the characteristics of revolution. Earth makes around the sun in an earth moves. The earth moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, and the speed of the earth is 29.8 kilometer per second. Earth moves such a tremendous speed, 29.8 kilometer per second. That means 1 lakh kilometer per hour. Earth makes or Earth takes 1 lakh, Earth covers 1 lakh kilometer in 1 hour. Okay, Earth covers 1 lakh kilometer in 1 hour, and in 1 second 29.8 kilometers. Now you know it is the path of the earth is not round, it is elliptical, just like a shape of the earth, elliptical shape. And the diagram is given in your book, so you can understand what is elliptical shape. When the earth is closer to the sun, because of the gravitational pull of the sun, the earth moves faster than when it is away from the sun. Therefore, the speed of revolution is not uniform. So, how much time Earth takes? Earth takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 45.51 second, which is roughly 365 days and 6 hours. Understand now? Now, you know, the Earth's axis is not perpendicular, it is not vertical. There, the axis is always inclined to its orbital plane. Explain to you. Earth axis is inclined to its orbital plane at an angle of 66.5 degree. Motion of the earth is from west to east or in the same direction as the rotation. Now let us see what are the effects of revolution. First one, seasonal changes. There is always changes in the season. Summer season here, winter season is a seasonal changes occurs because of the because of the revolution of the earth. Understand? Revolution causes different seasons, that is the changing weather conditions due to differences in the heating of the earth. Revolution is an annual cycle, so the seasons repeat year after another. What is a revolution? Also is an annual cycle. As a result, seasons also repeat year after year. Clear now? Now let us see inclination of the Earth's axis and seasonal changes. Already I have told you from the vertex it is 23.5 tilted, and from the orbital plane it is 66.5. Together makes it 90 degree. See, inclination of axis and seasonal changes. Since the earth is tilted, the seasonal changes are not abrupt, not same. There is a difference in seasonal changes. Now let us see one important point. One is perihelion and aphelion position. First of all, you should know what is perihelion and aphelion position. Perihelion means the closest to the sun. Aphelion means the farthest away from the sun. Perihelion means closest to the sun, and aphelion means away from the sun. The earth orbit is the path along which the earth travels along the sun. What is orbit? Earth orbit, what is it? The way. The earth orbit is the path along which the earth travels around the orbit. माने क्या है? Orbit is the way in which earth travels around the sun. Now, this path is elliptical in shape, not round. This elliptical, that diagram you see, the elliptical in shape, semicircle shape, no, elliptical, half, not half as it, we can say egg shape, elliptical in shape. The earth travels in an elliptical shape. Due to this elliptical orbit of the earth, the distance between the earth and the sun varies. When the earth is closest to the sun, the position is called perihelion. When the earth is closest to the sun, earth is called that position is called perihelion. And when the Earth is furthest from the sun. That position is called aphelion. Closest is perihelion. Aphelion is furthest. At perihelion, sorry, at aphelion. At aphelion, the distance is from the sun. The Earth distance from the sun is 152 million kilometers. Earth का दूरी sun से aphelion में 152 and at perihelion 147.3 million kilometers. That is the position of the Earth from the sun at aphelion and perihelion. Perihelion means nearest and aphelion means furthest. Now you just see, owing to the elliptical path, the minimum distance of the Earth from the sun is reached on January 3rd every year. On January 3rd every year, Earth is closest to the sun. Perihelion position, isn't it now? On January 3rd, Earth is perihelion position. Earth is near to the sun. On January 3rd, that is perihelion position. But what specialty we are having winter? This time, the Earth axis is tilted away from the sun. This time, on January 3rd, sun is in the southern hemisphere. Earth axis is Earth axis, that is northern hemisphere, is tilted away from the sun. That is the reason northern hemisphere is having winter. It is winter in the northern hemisphere when the axis is tilted away from the sun. While on January 3rd, southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. That is why southern hemisphere is having southern hemisphere is having summer. Now see, on January 3rd, the Earth in its orbit is closest to the sun. This time of the Earth is said to be perihelion position. Now you see, on July 3rd, the Earth is furthest from the sun. You see the diagram? July 3rd, you see, on July 3rd, Earth is furthest from the sun, 152 kilometer to 153 million kilometers दूर है sun से. लेकिन what speciality? We are having summer because this time sun is in the northern hemisphere. Earth axis is tilted towards the sun. In the month of July, though the Earth is at the furthest position from the sun, we experience summer season because northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. In other words, sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer. Things are clear for you? But you see the position of January 3rd, sun is very close. But northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. That is the reason we are having winter season. Clear now? So you just look at the elliptical path. Though sun is closer on January 3rd, we are having winter because tilting of the Earth axis. Though sun is far away on July 3rd, we are having summer because sun is in the northern hemisphere or over the Tropic of Cancer, and the sun is tilted the Earth axis is tilted towards the sun. The rest of the part we will be discussing in the next video. Some of the other characteristics are there of the revolution that we will be discussing the next video. Thank you.